sound, shall we? What the? What sound was that? Telephone ringing. Yeah, we're quite old school. Okay, can you pick up the phone and say hello?
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
I'm teaching him to say hello in a high-pitched voice. Okay, let's try this. And you say hello. Oh, hello. Hello. Now give him a big hand, everyone. Hello in different pitches. Okay, let's move on to human sounds that you and I make. What do you do when you get really, really sad? Cry. Papa, can you show us how you cry? Cry. Oh, sad. I'm gonna try to cheer him up. I'm gonna take for him. He's afraid of tickle. Try to do your little dance. Oh, okay. Dance the rain away, okay? One more time. Very good. Okay. Papa here is also learning to sing a line of the birthday song. Anyone celebrating a birthday today by any chance? From here. Birthday? Okay, how about from this section over there? Oh, okay. I think we have at least 5 or 6 people in the crowd celebrating their birthday. So now you know what to do? Happy birthday. That was a little fast. I'm going to sing it together with him slowly. Ready? Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you from Papa. How about the rest of us who are not celebrating birthdays? We have something nice to tell us.
I love you.
He said, I love you. One more time.
I love you.
I love you too. I think you've done a wonderful job, don't you agree? Everyone wave to Papa. Papa, can you wave? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Can we give Papa a big hand?